Today going to share another eye look with you guys, which is a similar one that I posted on Instagram. A lot of you seen that and messaged me ask how to get a natural but the bling eye look. Here we go. I done the base, so we start from the eyebrows. Eyebrow today is going to be, how to say, a little bit sharp but soft enough, if you know what I mean. I will start with a eyebrow powder first. Not necessarily needs to have several steps to make that like detailed, especially if in the morning you are in a rush. Just use your eyebrow pencil or the best way you feel convenient to do your eyebrows. So I use a slightly more flat brow brush. Now I dip into the darkest color. Now what I do is I use this side as an example is to draw the baseline as how I like my brow to go. What I like to do, let me zoom you in, would be helpful, you know. If you want your brows to look a little bit sharp but not like too much like that, it's better to follow the angle of your own eye shape. So if you see my eyes have a natural eye drop level from the highest point to down here out corner, then follow exactly the same eye shape to the brow. So roughly you see the parallel two of them like this, like that. So I start from the highest point I like to achieve on the brow, and then to draw a line which is parallel as your own eye shape. See? Like that. Okay, and then to start from the middle of your eyebrow, as is the darkest color, connect these two together like that. Okay, and then I draw another line which is towards the bottom, just over here, like that. And then just use a fluffy brush. I just mix this two to fill up the gap. Okay, roughly like that. And then just use I use my favorite brow pencil in this shape. Just draw individual hair, but not to fill the entire gap. Like that. Then use the brow comb or brush just to soft the edges, especially over this side, just to make everything like jammed together. Okay, lastly, use a brow gel. You can use any brow gel. For this purpose, I don't need the hair to be fully standing. It's pretty much just to get to the natural shape. So even the brow gel is not like long lasting or something, is fine. And just follow the brow shape. So once it's down, then tilt it. Have a look if somewhere has like small gap, like here. Can you see the whiteness over here and here a little bit? But for the rest, it seems all fine. Then I just use the brow pencil again, tilt your head a little bit, find the gap, and just add one, and see where the gaps are. Drop down. Can you see the difference? Let's start from the eyes. It is very, very simple. This eye look, I would recommend to use some more like common earthy color. Not to make your eyes look puffy, as we do need to use decent amount of glitters on the eyes. So I will just grab any earthy color palette. Then firstly just use the lightest color, pretty much just to even up your eyelid skin color. And then change to a slightly shorter head brush, dip into, slightly darker brown color. I just mix this too. This time we are not starting from the out corner, but starting from the middle of the eyes, but closer to your lash line. The darkest color is start from your lash line. Smudge left and right. Once it's all smoothen out, and then move upwards. Then blend this color just above your double eyelid. Then if you don't feel the color is strong enough, then do it again. By using earthy color, it is easier to achieve the result you like, and is avoid making mistakes per se, because earthy color, it is easier to blend to melt in with your own eyelid color. Then for the under eye, same for the entire under eye, and then apply a little bit more color towards just under your eyebrow, then move down. Zigzag, zigzag, move down. Zigzag, zigzag, move down. Like that. So it's slightly like this shape. Okay, like that. And then I use a slightly darker color again, like one level darker than this too. Now mix this two. Apply from the out corner closer to your lash line first, and then zigzag, zigzag, move upwards. And then to link the out corner towards the end of your eyebrow, you can just do this way. Tilt your brush a little bit, move upwards like that. Then you see your eye shape is like this, that. Just blend the edges, make sure everywhere is well connected. Then the base is pretty much done. Come to the shimmer color. We're going to use two shimmer colors today. One is more fine, more like sheen, little bit of dust, and you can use some shimmer colors like this. That when you tilt it, you will see like double color undertone. So it's like not one color; it has different colors reflection over there. Where we're going to apply is, when you open the double eyelid, you will see you have a natural line over here. And all you do is apply this shimmer color, follow your double eyelid and the shape over here. Like this. From inner corner, then follow your eye shape. You know, some eye looks like cut crease, that it has a similar like method in a way that where you would cut your crease, but our one is slightly out. Just follow your normal eye shape, only do it halfway. No need to extend further down. It's from your inner corner to the top. Okay, when you see like this, you don't see the color, but when you tilt it, can you see it? Especially facing the lighting in the evening, this would look even better. Let me just hold a little bit for you guys to see better. Okay, now see. And then use the same shimmer color for the fake eye bag. So you squeeze your eye a little bit, you find the highest point. Now apply this just over here. And then just emphasize the shading for the fake eye bag. So apply slightly darker color over here. That's it. Just make it look natural. And then I will apply slightly bigger glitter like this one. Not this too much amount, yeah, but a similar like type of, you can tell there is glitters in there. Use this type of glitter. Then apply in the middle of the eye. All you do is just apply, touch the highest point of your eyeball, then move up, down. That's it. Don't smudge it out. Just stay in the middle. That's it. And now our eye look is pretty much done. Then let's do the eyeliner. Once we've done the eyeliner, then use a very small brush, dip into the darkest color. You guys are probably very familiar with this step. I always do that. This way it's always easy to define your eye shape. Then, at the back triangle of the outer corner, apply the darkest color in there, then just smudge. Apply it just above your wing, like that. Although it's a very little step, but can you very much tell the difference? I haven't even done the lashes. When I finish the lashes, it's even better. I feel for the bottom eye, I need to define a little bit, then use the small brush. Apply the darkest color just at the back outer corner. Then extend it down a little bit. Now down the lashes. Can you see the difference? Get a closer look. Especially let me get a little bit of shade, then you see the glitter. Oh, I tell you guys, this is a very simple but very eye-catching eye look, because the glitter and the sparkles on your eyes during the day, you have one look, and when it turns to the evening, especially you go out for dinner, you don't need to change or have a little bit touch up for your eye look. You can just remain as it is, go to the restaurant or go to some party, with especially when you have like in-room lighting, spot lighting, when you blink. And here to share a very small little tip that when you have the glitter over here, to make it more like standing out, you do need to contour your nose. So use your contour powder, link your eyebrow, move down. And before you just do this, then you finish, right? Now you need to extend the contour powder a little bit, like a triangle, small part, not like a line, but expand and just follow your eye shape to have like from here, here, here is like a small triangle to have the shading color. So expand your normal contour a little bit. Again, I only do half, you will see the difference. If you look at my structure for this half, it's because when you add the shading color, it's at the same time actually emphasize the brightness over here, because you have something to compare with. Here's darken it down, and here will automatically visually feel it's brighten up, which very much, especially in the evening time, to emphasize your glitter and the shimmer color over here. Drop down, then you compare this side to this side. For the blush, just use something very natural. Just don't go over the top, because you want your whole full face looks more balanced. I'm just going to use from one of the eyeshadows, Everbub. Going to use this very natural nude coral color. And just add a little bit to the face. You feel like your blush is there, but it isn't there. Okay, and third, just add the contour color. Just connect the contour with your blush. Now is the full face half and half. Let me finish this side. Hope you like today's look. What do you feel? Hope you enjoying it. To be honest, I also, watches a lot of makeup videos through TikTok, YouTube, a lot of different channels as well. To be honest, I didn't create this type of eye looks. I've also pick and choose different people's makeup techniques, so kind of merge into my own suitable style in a way. So you guys also can create the way you like it. You can change the base color, you can change the glitters color, but make sure the colors are matches each other. So basically, if you want to use slightly cool tone base color, to make sure the glitter is also in the cool tone zone. If you want to use a warmer color like today, so always make sure it matches each other. The simplest way is to actually use one eyeshadow palette, the glitters color and the base color from one palette. Most likely they would work with each other. So very happy with today's look. Hope you do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one.